Hi everyone, this is Emmy. Today I'm going to show you how to crochet these very easy slippers, and they're worked flat by crocheting a piece that looks like this, and after this part is finished you simply fold it in half and sew down the back heel end and under the sole, and the slippers are finished. So let's get started. Welcome to HECTANOOGA 1. If you find the videos too fast, you can slow them down by clicking on the gear icon below the video. I'm going to start and I'm going to work from the cuff down. So I'm going to work with 2 strands of worsted weight yarn and 6.5mm crochet hook. And I'm going to chain 23. Okay, I have chained 23. And I'm going to double crochet in the 3rd stitch from the hook. 1, 2, 3. So double crochet. To make a double crochet, yarn around the hook, insert into the stitch, pick up the yarn and pull it through, pick up the yarn, pull it through 2 loops, pick up the yarn, pull it through 2 loops. So make 1 double crochet in each stitch all the way across the chain. Okay, I worked all the way across the row. Now I'm going to work another color. So I'm just going to lock that in by taking 1 stitch with both the yarn end and the working yarn. Chain 2, 1, 2, and turn. Double crochet in each stitch all the way across the row. That chain 2 at the beginning takes the place of the 1st stitch. Now double crochet in each stitch all the way across the row. All the way across the row. Okay, I worked all the way across the row with that color. Now I'm going to change and add a different color. Of course you can make these slippers in a solid color. Pull the yarn through, lock it in, chain 2, 1, 2, and turn. Double crochet in each stitch across the row. And now you're going to repeat this so that you have 5 rows of double crochet as the cuff. 5 rows, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, I've gone ahead and I've worked 5 rows of double crochets, changing colors, and you can make these in a solid color as well. Now I'm going to attach my cream color, and this is another way that you can attach your yarn. Make a slip knot and then pull it through the next stitch. And I'm going to chain 1, and I'm going to single crochet in each stitch across the row. To make a single crochet, insert into the stitch, pick up the yarn and pull it through, pick up the yarn and pull it through both loops. So I'm going to go ahead and make 1 single crochet in each stitch all the way across the row. All the way across the row. Okay, I worked all the way across the row. At the end of the row, chain 1 and turn. Single crochet in each stitch across the row, working only in the back side of the stitch. So single crochet in each stitch, working only in the back side of the stitch. All the way across the row. Okay, I worked all the way across the row, working only in the back side of the stitch. And now I'm going to work this top part of the foot. So I'm going to turn my work, and I'm going to slip stitch. So 1, 2, 3. Okay, I have slip stitched in the first 7 stitches. Now I'm going to chain 1, and I'm going to single crochet. Okay, so that's the reduced number of stitches. Single crochet in each stitch across the row of reduced stitches. Okay, like that. Chain 1 and turn. Single crochet in each stitch across the row, and you're going to continue that for 7 more rows. Okay, I've gone ahead and I finished this section, and this is going to fit on the ankle, and this is going to be the top of the slipper. So now I'm going to start working along the side. So I'm going to attach my yarn here, and I'm going to work around here up to here. And at this corner, just this one row, I'm going to make 2 single crochet in that turning corner. So attach my yarn here. Lock it in, chain 1, and that takes the place of that first stitch. And now I'm going to work all the way around, making 1 single crochet in each of the stitches. So I'm going to work all the way to here, and I'll do 2 stitches here. I'll come back and show you. Okay, I've reached the corner. I'm going to make 1 additional stitch in that corner, single crochet across, make 2 in that corner. Continue all the way up to here. Okay, I worked all the way to here, and I need 4 rows here. 1, 2, 3, 4. So chain 1 and turn, takes the place of the first stitch, single crochet in each stitch around, and do that for 4 rows. Okay, I've worked 4 rows, 1, 2, 3, 4, and now I'm going to work the underneath of the slipper. So there's where I fastened off. I'm going to attach my new yarn here, chain 1 and turn, and for this row only, I'm going to work only in the back side of the stitch. So single crochet all the way across the row, working only in the back side of the stitch. Okay, I worked all the way across the row, working only in the back side of the stitch for that row only. Now I'm going to chain 1 and turn, and that takes the place of the first single crochet, and I'm going to single crochet in each stitch all the way around, and now I'm working in the full part in both sides of the stitch. Okay, I went ahead and I worked across the row. And for this size, I only worked 3 rows. So now I'm going to fold this over like this. And you can enclose all of those in the seam when you're sewing the back seam closed. And then with the same color yarn, you're going to sew right across the bottom. And I have pinned the back seam, matching the colors like that. You just go ahead and sew all the way down the back and across the bottom. So I'll just start here. And you just sew across. I like to go straight across and then down into the next stitch. Straight across and into the next stitch. Like that. And sew all the way across the bottom. And there's the finished slipper. I hope you found this video helpful and enjoyed seeing how easy it is to crochet these slippers. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.